Hey, I'm gonna do that 30-day ab workout. Yeah, tough day. It's 30 days of abs. Yeah, you don't have to think. You just follow along, it's easy. I'm just gonna get changed. That's better. First thing you wanna do, when you get home, dress in something different to what you usually wear so that it sends a signal to your brain that you are about to work out.
If you don't already have one, find a designated area you can start to do your little workout routines from. Now grab a phone or tablet, place it right next to where you're going to be working out, and don't forget a nice cover in case you keep dropping your tablet.
Open up YouTube, type in Anabolic Aliens, go to playlists. In playlists, you're going to find 30 days of abs, and just select the first day, and off we go. Now, it all seems like simple stuff, I agree, but it's actually really important. Just the very ritual of coming home and getting changed, finding that designated spot that you usually work out, opening up the app, you're actually calling yourself to action, and that's really important. Here's the reality, you're actually never gonna feel like working out initially. Having motivation to start is actually a fantasy we tell ourselves. Think of a broken down car. To actually initially push that broken down car requires a lot of energy, a lot of activation energy. Once we actually start pushing and it starts rolling, it gets a lot easier. Working out is much the same way. You're not gonna feel like it, or it's gonna require a lot of energy, mental energy, physical energy to actually get to the stage where you actually start to push and actually get yourself to that point. It's okay not to feel like doing it, but you need to act. You need to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. I think this 30-day challenge is actually a really good one because it requires no equipment, it requires no excuses. It's 30 days of habit forming, so you actually start to get really used to the fact that you're gonna come home, you're gonna do your 5, 6, 7 minutes. So it does progressively get a bit more challenging and harder as the days go on. And I promise you'll actually start to feel a lot more strength building in that core section. And it's a really good opportunity to actually build from. So when the actual challenge finishes, I promise you're gonna get to the point where you go, what next? What do I do now? Well, Mike's got you covered. He actually has an arm one, which I've just started, and hopefully add a little bit of size to the arms as well. So, but look, it's a really good place to start, and I've been using his workouts and his routines for quite some time because who hasn't got 5 minutes? Who hasn't got 6 minutes? He has a lot that just require really light dumbbells. We've all got them lying around somewhere, and if we don't, they're pretty inexpensive as opposed to saying, oh, look, I'm making the excuse that I have to have some massive gym at home or I need memberships. Don't make that excuse. Just get started small, and it makes a world of difference. If you actually go as far as to say, and you do something small every single day, that's 365 times a year. I know it's really hard to get started, especially when you're doing it from home because life does take over. But starting small is the only advice I can give. Starting small, doing it every day, and the motivation will come at the other side of it. I get the programming part of it's the hardest. That's why it's a lot easier to follow someone like Mike and Anabolic Aliens, where he actually does all the hard work for you. You just literally have to follow along.
Now it's time for me to do my workout.
Now it's your turn, no excuses, jump onto the link below, get started yourself, do 30 days, and at the end of it, try one of his other challenges and just keep going along, and let me know how you go in the comments below. Thanks.